Today I will show you the active straps for the controllers of the Meta Quest 3. So I will show you what's inside the box, how you assemble that, and what's my opinion about that. If you didn't see my review about the Meta Quest 3, check out the info cards now. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Thank you to my sponsors Voodoo's VR, Open Events and Virtual Escape. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
VoodooDE.
Yeah, let's do a short unboxing. That's how the package looks. And here we are. Can lift that out of here. And then we have, yeah, this is a safety and warranty guide and a quick setup guide, how you do that. Yeah, and here are the straps. That's cloth mat. That feels pretty good, to be honest. Velcro strap. And here's the right one. And yeah, here's the left one. So yeah, very interesting, but there's no electronic stuff here, just plastic and Velcro strap. Yeah, that's it. So and I show you how to assemble that. This is the left controller. I already made that. And here's the right controller. So push this button to remove the cover. As you can see, it also works with the batteries from the charging dock. Yeah, and then remove the original strap. Then check out this here and check out which direction. I think it should be like this. Put it here, the new strap, and then close it. Here you go, and push your hands through that, and then tighten. Here you go. That's it. How you assemble that. Yeah, guys, the active straps. Look at this. I played some stuff with that and it works really good. Look at this. You can throw it away. You don't even have to touch them. They stay on your fingers. Yeah, and they are pretty comfortable because beneath the Velcro strap it's really soft material. I like it, and it fits on all hands because you can just set up that stuff for your hands. It's fine, and it works. But I paid 50 euro for that. I think in dollar it's even 55 euro for a piece of plastic and a Velcro strap. Let me think about the material costs. Is that perhaps a piece of plastic and a Velcro strap 40 cents? Or perhaps, let's say $1 material costs. And I paid $55. Damn! I mean, for you, it's $40. In the US, in dollars, it's $40. But even that, $40! Holy shit! I mean, it's not too expensive. It's too expensive. Okay, that's my opinion. I mean, if it would cost like $20, I would even say, phew, but $40? Or even $55 in Germany? What the heck? I mean, if you just have unlimited money, if you just don't care about money, it's good. It works, it's comfortable, it's original accessories, and it works also with the batteries of the official charging station. So yeah, if you don't care about money, you can find a link in the description below. Yeah. I don't want to say that I don't love all the accessories from Meta. For example, I made a review about the the charging dock and the Elite Swivel battery. I also spent like 300 euro. I think that's around 330 US dollars for the charging dock and the Elite strap. It's a lot of money, yeah. But I don't regret at least these two things because they're really good. They work, they look good and stuff. But $55 for a piece of plastic and a Velcro strap. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. So, guys, if you want to buy that stuff, this link in the description below. If you didn't see my review about the docking station and the Elite strap, info cards. Yeah, and I must be honest, I only bought that to show it to you. That's the only reason. Yeah, I didn't get all that accessories from Meta. I bought it with my own money, just to be clear. Yeah, and yeah, that's too expensive. So, however, guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE